who own items and people who are going to buy items. So the auction business sits right in the middle. And I love that journey. I love the fact something's been made by somebody, for somebody, to be enjoyed by somebody, but the art lives beyond our generation. Strauss & Company's mission statement is to be the most dynamic auction house on the continent. Strauss punches way above its team size, and it punches way above the opportunities that it presents.
So I've been in the auction industry since university my entire life, and I have to say that it is probably the most exciting industry, well, certainly for me.
My favorite thing about working at Strauss, I think, is that no day is ever the same. I mean, we see the most amazing things going to the most amazing places.
The thing I like most about working at Strauss is the people and the art, and having a great team around who love what they do.
People either bid on the phone or bid on the room or leave bids in absence. And the culmination of that bidding process happens live in the rostrum. When the gavel falls and you actually bang the gavel on top of the rostrum, that's when the ownership legally passes from the seller to the owner.
Being present both locally and globally for people to bid and buy items at our auctions, it's really important for us to ensure that all our processes are digitalized as much as possible.
I think technology has made visibility of what we offer. If you're a collector of a certain type of genre, you'll find us even though we're sitting on the continent. And we realized that we had a lot of different applications. So we had something for our finance, we had something for emails, we had a lot of different, it was a bit of a spaghetti of what we offered in terms of too many systems were talking to each other.
We work in 2 different offices in both Cape Town and Johannesburg. So for the Johannesburg team to have sight of our Cape Town pieces of paper really was a struggle for us. So to be able to use something that we can all access through the cloud, and it's live and up to date and time saving. We don't have to hunt around for information. It's all available at our fingertips.
So the reason why we landed up going with Zoho is that we have one platform that has the ability to grow with us.
We are using Zoho One at Strauss, so we have access to multiple different apps. Depending on the department you're in will depend on what apps you're using.
We use Zoho Books for our accounting function. We also use Zoho Expense, which enables us to quickly and efficiently, with the relevant controls, record all our expenses that are incurred.
Zoho Books has given us that transparency and obviously the reporting on it.
So CRM is a big Zoho app that I use. Just because if someone comes in with an artwork, it's great to load them onto CRM. So that really helps me to assess, before I reach out to that client, I already have knowledge about them.
I think the opportunity to grow the business more with utilizing more of Zoho is only going to be stronger for Strauss. I think we are very fortunate that our Zoho partner is very much like-minded, passionate individuals who get us.
Our partners both and to create an additional application using Zoho Creator. We internally call it the approval flow application, and that assists us within our departments to follow the procurement process.
You know, our focus was on quality, on excellence, on service to our clients. Basically, you don't need any other software except what Zoho offers, which is huge.
So Zoho has been a fantastic collaboration and relationship with Strauss.
If I have to describe Zoho in one word, it will have to be collaboration.
All embracing.
Intuitive.
It's dynamic.
It would be the future.